Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects millions of people worldwide: eye health. Our eyes are our windows to the world, and keeping them healthy is crucial for enjoying life to the fullest. Unfortunately, many of us face common vision problems, such as blurry vision, dryness, or even more serious issues like cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Did you know that the food we eat plays a significant role in our eye health? That's right. Nutrition can impact how well we see and how our eyes age over time. In this video, we will explore 8 incredible foods that can help protect and repair your vision. These foods are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that are essential for maintaining healthy eyesight. So, let's jump right in. Before we discuss the specific foods, it's essential to understand why nutrition is vital for eye health. Just like our bodies need various nutrients to function correctly, our eyes also require specific vitamins and minerals to stay healthy. Nutrients such as vitamins A, C, and E, omega-3 fatty acids, lutein, and zeaxanthin are particularly important for our vision. Vitamin A helps maintain a clear cornea, which is the outer covering of the eye. It is also essential for producing the pigments in the retina that help us see in low-light conditions. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps protect our eyes from oxidative damage and may lower the risk of cataracts. Vitamin E also acts as an antioxidant and protects the eyes from free radicals, which can cause cellular damage. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for maintaining the health of the retina, and they may help prevent dry eyes. Lutein and zeaxanthin are carotenoids found in green leafy vegetables and are known to filter harmful blue light, reducing the risk of age-related vision issues. By incorporating these essential nutrients into our diets, we can support our eye health and protect our vision as we age. Now that we understand the importance of nutrition for our eyes, let's explore the 8 foods that can help protect and repair your vision. Each of these foods is packed with nutrients that benefit your eyes in unique ways. Carrots, spinach, salmon, blueberries, eggs, almonds, oranges, sweet potatoes. In the following sections, we will dive deeper into each food, discussing their specific benefits and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily meals. 1. Carrots. Let's start with one of the most well-known foods for eye health: carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for maintaining good vision and overall eye health. Carrots help improve night vision and can reduce the risk of age-related vision loss. If you've ever heard someone say that eating carrots will help you see in the dark, there's a good reason for that. Vitamin A is crucial for the production of rhodopsin, a pigment found in the retina that is necessary for seeing in low light. You can enjoy carrots in various ways. They can be eaten raw as a crunchy snack, added to salads for extra color and crunch, or cooked in soups and stews. Try roasting carrots with a bit of olive oil and seasoning for a delicious side dish. 2. Spinach. Next on our list is spinach, a leafy green that is incredibly versatile and nutritious. Spinach is packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that are known for their protective properties. These nutrients help filter out harmful blue light and can reduce the risk of cataracts. Studies have shown that people who consume more lutein and zeaxanthin have a lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a leading cause of vision loss. Spinach can be enjoyed in salads, smoothies, or sautéed as a side dish. You can also add it to omelets, pasta dishes, or soups for a nutrient boost. The possibilities are endless. 3. Salmon. Salmon is not only delicious, but also one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA and EPA. Omega-3s are essential for maintaining the health of the retina and may help prevent dry eyes. Research suggests that people who consume more omega-3 fatty acids have a lower risk of developing AMD. Omega-3s are known to help reduce inflammation and promote overall eye health. You can enjoy salmon grilled, baked, or even raw in sushi. If you're not a fan of salmon, other fatty fish like mackerel, sardines, and trout also offer similar benefits. Blueberries. Blueberries are small but mighty when it comes to eye health. These little berries are packed with antioxidants, which help protect the eyes from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress can lead to various eye problems, including cataracts and AMD. The antioxidants in blueberries can help improve night vision and support overall eye function. Blueberries are perfect for snacking, adding to smoothies, or incorporating into desserts. You can also toss them in your morning oatmeal or yogurt for a delicious and nutritious breakfast. 5. Eggs. Eggs are another fantastic food for eye health. They contain lutein, zeaxanthin, and zinc, which work together to support overall eye health. Zinc is crucial for maintaining the structure of the retina and may help prevent AMD. The lutein and zeaxanthin in eggs help filter harmful blue light and protect the retina from damage. Additionally, eggs are an excellent source of protein, making them a healthy addition to your diet. You can enjoy eggs in various ways: boiled, scrambled, or as part of an omelet. Adding vegetables like spinach or bell peppers can enhance their nutritional value. 6. Almonds. Almonds are not only a tasty snack, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. They are rich in vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps protect the cells in your eyes from oxidative stress. Studies have shown that a diet high in vitamin E can reduce the risk of cataracts and AMD. In addition to being good for your eyes, almonds are also a great source of healthy fats and protein. You can enjoy almonds on their own as a snack, sprinkle them on salads or yogurt, or use almond butter as a spread. They make for a delicious and healthy addition to your diet. 7. Oranges. Oranges are a delicious way to boost your vitamin C intake, which is essential for eye health. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from oxidative damage and may lower the risk of cataracts. In addition to vitamin C, oranges also provide hydration and fiber, making them a nutritious choice for overall health. You can enjoy oranges fresh, juiced, or in fruit salads. They make for a refreshing snack, especially during warmer months. 8. Sweet potatoes. Last but not least, sweet potatoes are another fantastic food for eye health. They are rich in beta-carotene, which helps improve vision and provides essential nutrients for maintaining healthy eyes. Sweet potatoes are also a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Including sweet potatoes in your diet can help support overall health while promoting eye health. You can enjoy sweet potatoes baked, mashed, or in stews. Try roasting them with your favorite spices for a delicious side dish. Now that we've discussed the 8 foods that can protect and repair your vision, let's talk about how to easily incorporate them into your daily diet. Create a colorful plate. Aim to fill your plate with a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. The more colors you have, the more nutrients you'll get. For example, combine carrots, spinach, and blueberries in a salad for a nutrient-packed meal. Start your day right. Incorporate these foods into your breakfast. Add spinach and eggs to your morning omelet, or blend blueberries and oranges into a refreshing smoothie. Snack. Wisely. Instead of reaching for processed snacks, grab a handful of almonds or a piece of fruit. This not only satisfies your hunger, but also nourishes your eyes. Experiment with recipes. Try new recipes that feature these eye-healthy foods. For example, make a salmon salad with mixed greens and citrus dressing, or prepare a sweet potato and carrot mash as a side dish. Stay hydrated. Don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Proper hydration is essential for overall health, including eye health. By incorporating these foods into your meals and snacks, you can support your eye health and enjoy delicious flavors at the same time. In addition to eating the right foods, there are several other lifestyle changes you can make to support your eye health. Here are some helpful tips. Get regular eye exams. Regular eye exams are crucial for detecting vision problems early. Make sure to schedule routine checkups with your eye care professional. Protect your eyes from UV rays. Just like your skin, your eyes need protection from harmful UV rays. Wear sunglasses that block 100% of UVA and UVB rays when you're outdoors. Reduce screen time. Prolonged screen time can lead to digital eye strain. Take regular breaks using the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Quit smoking. Smoking is linked to an increased risk of cataracts and AMD. If you smoke, seek support to quit for the sake of your eye health and overall well-being. Stay active. Regular physical activity can improve circulation, which is beneficial for your eyes. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week. Manage chronic conditions. Conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure can impact your eye health. Work with your healthcare provider to manage these conditions effectively. By adopting these healthy habits alongside a nutrient-rich diet, you can help protect your eyes and maintain good vision as you age. In conclusion, the foods we eat play a significant role in our eye health. By incorporating these 8 eye-healthy foods into your diet, you can help protect and repair your vision. Remember, carrots, spinach, salmon, blueberries, eggs, almonds, oranges, and sweet potatoes are all excellent choices that provide essential nutrients for maintaining healthy eyesight. Don't forget to pair these dietary changes with healthy lifestyle habits to maximize your eye health. Regular eye exams, protection from UV rays, and managing chronic conditions are all important steps in safeguarding your vision. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and nutrition advice. Remember, taking care of your eyes is a vital part of taking care of your overall health. Until next time, take care of your eyes and keep seeing the beauty around you.